Special Counsel Jack Smith took the extraordinary step of asking the Supreme Court to step into an ongoing legal battle about whether former President Donald Trump can claim immunity from criminal charges tied to his alleged interference in the 2020 election, attempting to leapfrog an appeals court that was expected to consider the question. At the heart of Smith's request to the Supreme Court is a concern about timing. The special counsel wants to hold to the early March trial start that had been set in the high-profile case against Trump. If prosecutors have to wait for federal courts to resolve the immunity question through the normal process, it could take months. It's always a long-shot bid for the Supreme Court to hear a case like this, without waiting for the process to play out in the lower courts, said Notre Dame Law School professor Derek Muller. That said, Smith is rightly concerned about a slow appeals process that may interfere with a trial date and run even closer to Election Day. It seems unlikely it will persuade the Supreme Court to intervene, but it is worth asking given the risks of delay. Going directly to the Supreme Court puts the justices on the hook to wade into the politically explosive Trump litigation sooner than had been expected. The court is almost certain to draw considerable criticism, no matter what it decides, and sustained and widespread scorn from Trump if it rules in the government's favor. The Supreme Court ordered Trump to respond to Smith's appeal by Dec. 20. In a statement, the Trump campaign described the prosecution as politically motivated and said there was no reason to rush this sham to trial except to injure President Trump and tens of millions of his supporters.